upon a time, there was a tiny seed named Samantha. Samantha was small but had big dreams of becoming a tall sunflower. One day, a gentle wind carried Samantha through the air and dropped her into a garden. Samantha was so excited. One day, I'll grow tall and strong, he thought, but first Samantha had to wait under the soil, drinking water from the rain and feeling the warm sunshine. Each day, Samantha stretched her little roots deeper and richer, tiny leaves higher. Finally, with lots of patience and care, Samantha grew tall and bright sunflower. All the other garden plants cheered for Samantha. Samantha was proud and happy, knowing that she had followed her dreams and grown strong. And from that day on, Samantha became known as the brave little lass that grew into a mighty sunflower. The